Hi, it's Ann. You remember this video that I made of these glue gun frames? Now today I'm just going to show you what I'm going to do with them. Maybe, I don't know if I'm going to use them all, I will see. But first you need to get yourself a few popsicle sticks. Okay, you can see my popsicle sticks has dried. I think I'm going to use some of them with a wood at the back. I'm not sure, I will see as I go along. Okay, this one is a little bit smaller. I just want to show you at the back. I'm just going to cut off that piece. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to make sure I want to put a line here, because my glue is starting from there. So I'm going to cut this off, and then I'm just going to put it in the inside, like almost like that. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to make myself a square, because that's the area where I'm going to paint. I think this will be enough if I glue it down, and then I'm just going to cut it off again there. So I will, as this is very small, I will go over with my background, because when you put this on and you look maybe from the side, that it's painted all the way. I actually forgot, I wanted to show you this as well. You take your craft mat with your craft knife, and then you can just go over and score this once or twice, or they're not very thick, so you can just test them. Maybe I will go another one. And then you could just break it, just finish off the edges a little bit more. If you take a serviette or something, you can decoupage this onto this. I just want to quickly give you a few ideas. Look how nice that can this look actually, even if you use it sideways. So it depends on what you want to do. Let me just show you this one. Or maybe even if you've got these watercolor papers that's lying around, if you're like me, you will have stacks of them. I just can't find mine now, but anyways, you can see how nice that can look. So if you struggle for an idea, you can maybe use some of your old ones and just frame them with these. Okay, this one is not bright enough for me, but it can look very interesting and nice. So I'm just going to gesso this first, and then I will decide if I'm going to paint something here, or maybe just use a serviette or something. Okay, now I'm just going to let this quickly dry, and then I'll do something. Okay, I'm just going to make a... Okay, I'm just going to sketch... I don't know how you pronounce this. It's the Lady or the Virgin of Guadalupe or something like that. But anyway, or the Virgin Mary, I don't know. I just love it. I love the Mexican folk art and everything. So I'm just gonna quickly paint something here, and then I will draw something here, and then I will just paint it. I'm just going to use the craft paints that I used when I painted the frames. So I'm just gonna quickly paint my turquoise at the back. I'm just gonna paint the cloth around the black and blue. I'm just painting a little bit black around the face. I've got a little glue gun heart here that I made. If you want to see how I use my glue gun to make myself nice molds and stuff with molds that I've got, then you can just check out my video about my glue gun molds. I've got a few. Okay, now I just want to take my white and my orange, and I'm just gonna make I'm not gonna worry too much. I just want to paint the face and the neck, and then I'm not gonna worry about too much shadows or anything into this. I'm just checking if it's going to work for me. I think I'm going to glue the heart there, and then I'm just going to make that flamey thing on top. I'm just going to use the white that I've got and just paint the dress. I'm just taking a little bit of my yellow with my white, just going over once again. I think I'm gonna just use my paint pens maybe for I just want to make a little bit of a few lines here and there, and maybe a little bit of something into that area there. Okay, I've taken out a few jelly rolls and my trusted rot ring Tiki Graphite 0.3. I love this one. I'm just going to make a little bit of lines and stuff, and tidy up a few spaces and see how it goes. Just want to make a little bit of texture on the rope. You can just, if it gets too white or too harsh for your lines, you can just dab them with your finger and they pick up a lot of your pen. Now I just want to see if this gold is going to work, otherwise I'm just going to take some paint. Works, but it's very pale, but I'm just gonna do this, and then maybe I need to put a little bit of texture maybe on the halo. Let me just quickly dry this. I just don't know if this one is going to work. I'm just gonna try it and see. Yeah, I think it will work. I'm just gonna make a few marks onto the halo. I'm just going to take the green. I'm just going to make these lines. I don't like the background too much. It's a little bit dull for me. So I'm just going to take this all the way to the outside. I've got a calligraphy pen here in gold and a few pens in turquoise and a white one. I just want to give it a shake up. Oopsie. Just want to give that, see if I can get that crown. No, not really. Okay, and I think I need to stop. I'm just going to put a little bit of white onto this area. Okay, I think I'm basically finished. I just want to get a little bit of my Gorilla Cold glue and put a little bit there. And I think that may be too much, but I'll just get a tissue. Okay, I'm just going to drop it there in the center. So I'm just going to take some of those orange and I'm just going to put it in there. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I will definitely see you next time. All that I'm going to do now with this is hard as dry. I'm just going to glue it onto this. And I will maybe put a thin cardboard over the whole thing up to that edge just to keep it down and glue it again. But I'm not going to worry too much. Maybe if this is enough, I will just keep it as is. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I will definitely see you next time. Have a lovely day.